guys, time check, it's now 5:30 on a Thursday. I'm really tired. Like, if it's a Thursday, it's usually very busy for me because it's my inquest duty, and fortunately for today, I was working from home, so I'm just here. Finished at around 3:30, and then I had 2 Zoom meetings, and after which I made some calls and did some paperwork. So I'm really tired. I don't know, I just feel so lazy. I didn't have a good lunch. I only had Indomie ni goreng. That's my usual go-to food if I don't feel like cooking or I don't feel like ordering from Grab Food. It's my favorite. It's really good. For tonight, I have an invitation. It's my friend's birthday. Her party's at Pig and Palm. They said it's at 6, so I don't know. I still don't know if I'm going or if I'm attending, but yeah, maybe I'll go na lang. Anyway, the food in Pig and Palm is really nice, and it's one of my favorite restaurants in Cebu. I really love their food, so yeah, maybe I'll attend. I'll just be casual. I'll just change t-shirt lang siguro po. I don't know. But yeah, anyway, happy birthday, Aya. I'm tired, but I'll attend your party. Yeah, so I'll see you later. I'll just take a shower and then head for Pig and Palm. I still have 20 minutes. Bye! I'll see you later. Fresh from the shower. So I decided I'm attending Aya's birthday. So I still have 10 minutes. I won't talk much. That's it. Later, I'll show you the food we're going to have in Pig and Palm. I'll show you everything that's gonna happen for tonight. So I'll see you later. Bye! Ta-da! Fresh from the shower. So I decided I'm attending Aya's birthday. It's so amazing how a cold shower and sip of coffee can wake up your senses. So yeah, I'll see you later. I'm gonna show you everything, the food in Pig and Palm, my favorite. I'm gonna show you and share with you all what's gonna happen for tonight. So bye! I'm here na. I'm not late. Just in time. Yeah. I don't know who's here na. Bye. Happy birthday, Aya. Cheers. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday. Happy birthday, love. Yay. Happy birthday! That's it, guys. It was a simple get-together. It was a simple dinner organized by the birthday girl and her family. I'm going home now. I have to go. Bye. Thanks for joining me. Bye.